In this video, I want to show you how to pair your Logitech M650 using Bluetooth to a computer, tablet, or any other device that are capable of using a mouse. So to use the Bluetooth feature, make sure first of all that you have a battery inserted. Then you're going to turn the mouse on. Make sure this switch is towards the right side. And now you see this button on the top. We need to keep it pressed until the light on the top starts flashing quickly. So let me do it. I'm keeping it pressed. Take a look at the light. Okay, once it's flashed quickly, I can release my finger. Now let me show you how to pair it with a PC once the Bluetooth is turned on. So set the mouse aside your computer, and some computers like this Windows will automatically detect a mouse trying to connect. So you simply have to click on connect over here. Or if you want to do it manually, and imagine you're not seeing this, you simply have to go into the Bluetooth settings of your computer. So on PC, click on the small arrow. So I'll click on the small arrow, click on the Bluetooth icon and select add Bluetooth device. On a Mac, you're gonna have the Bluetooth settings on the top over here. So once you're over here, click on add device. You're going to select Bluetooth. You're going to select your Logitech mouse M650. It will start connecting. And usually in around 2-3 seconds, here we go, it got connected. So click done and you can take your mouse and as you see, it starts working right away, and you can even see the battery percentage. That's pretty cool. Now that you know how to connect the mouse, how do you customize it? Because this mouse, definitely one of the selling point is the fact that you can customize these buttons and the other ones. To do that, you need to download a Logitech software. So just to show you, go on Google or Bing, no matter which are your search engine, and you're going to search for Logi Option Plus. This is how the software is called, Logi Option Plus. So go on the official Logitech website, and once you're on the website, it should look like this. And you're going to get a link right over here, download for Windows 10 or later. Obviously, if you're on a Mac, it will be different. It will say Mac over here. Tap over here, download, and launch whatever file got downloaded on your computer. Once it's installed, let me show you how to customize it. So I'll launch the Logitech software, and automatically, if the mouse is paired with your computer, you're gonna see it on your display. You don't have to add it usually. If not, simply press the plus button to add it, but honestly, everything is done automatically if the mouse is correctly installed. So you're going to tap on the mouse. Then you're going to click skip. We don't want, there's tutorial. And then we have 3 buttons that we can customize. So as you see, we have 1, 2, and the middle one is the scroll wheel. Let me put it this way so you see better. So simply click on any buttons you want to customize. Let's say the forward one, and you'll be able to change the action to something else. And what I'm showing you now will be applied to the mouse, and you'll be able to use it in any apps, any software. Okay, let me just demonstrate because I want to show you something in just a few seconds. So let's say I want this button to be the volume up. Well, I will simply press volume up over here. Got it. Perfect. It got saved, and do the same for the other button and the middle button, click. All right. So as I said, this will apply to the mouse and it will work everywhere. But if you want, for example, a certain settings to apply only in a specific software, you're going to go in add application. Let's say I want this button to do something else when I'm in Microsoft Excel. So I'll select Excel, confirm, Yes. It may have to install some stuff depending on which software you're trying to use. So wait a few seconds. Click on continue when you see device configured. And now if you press on the Microsoft Excel or whatever software you have chose, you can change these buttons to something else. So let's say I want next sheet to be the button, this button over here. Well, I'll press OK, got it. And now this button transforms in next sheet, but only for the Excel. If you click on global settings, as you see, it's volume up. So depending on each app you have, you can create custom buttons for each of them. And this is about it. The Logitech app you just downloaded, you have other options that you can go through over here. Okay, the pointer speed, the scroll wheel direction, or if you want to smooth off or not. I mean, just click over here and change the settings if you see something that you wish to do. But overall, this is it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please take a moment and write a comment if it was helpful. If you want to get this mouse or any other mouse, check my Amazon links in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks again.